Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the power button. When this menu appears on the screen, press and hold on the power off option, like this. Now the icon should change to the save mode icon. Here we have a brief explanation what the save mode does, and what it does is basically if you enter the save mode, all of the third-party applications will be disabled. So every application that is not installed by the system will be disabled and you won't be able to use it. And this mode is useful, for example, for troubleshooting. So if you have some problems with your phone, you could enter the save mode and check if any of the applications that you installed are causing it. Okay, now to continue to enter the save mode, tap on this icon and wait until the phone is done rebooting. And as you can see, our phone booted into save mode. It says it right here. Let's unlock the screen. And if you open the app menu, some of the apps should be disabled. But as you can see, I don't have any third-party apps. So basically, if the app is disabled, it will be grayed out right here in the app menu. You won't be able to tap on it to open it. So for example, Chrome should be working, and it is. But like I said, the icons should be grayed out on the apps you won't be able to use. Okay, and to exit the save mode, simply press and hold the power button, then tap on restart, and tap on it again to confirm, and wait until your phone is done rebooting. And that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.